Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make Roblox thumbnails for your games. So the first thing is that you need to download Roblox Studio from your browser. Here you need to search for Roblox Studio, click on the first link and then click on start creating. This will check if you have Roblox Studio. If you don't have, then click on download Studio. So after that it will start downloading Roblox Studio on your PC. So here you can see that my Roblox Studio has been downloaded. Now I need to install it. For that, double click on it and here your Roblox will start installing. So I will meet you after it has been installed. So here you can see that my Roblox Studio has been installed. Now you need to launch it. I will double click on it and here you can see that my Roblox Studio has been launched. I have also logged into my account. Now after that you need to select a template. I will choose this classic base template and this will open up the template. You can move around. Now after that, if you want to add something to it, for that you will see models. Here you can search for anything. If you want to search for Minecraft, search for it and here you will see character. If you want to add this character, you need to click on it and this will add the character and position it according to your requirements. If you want to resize it, click on scale and here you can resize your character. If you want to add template, here you can see two characters. Another character, if you, for example, if you want to add zombie, click on it and this will add zombie. So this is how you can make Roblox thumbnails. Now if you want to screenshot it, for that I personally use snipping tool, but you can use whatever you want. So use snipping tool to capture what you just created. Click on new and I will choose this image and there you go. You have just created a Roblox thumbnail. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.